How to get unlimited coins and gems in airplane chefs? It's easy. You need airplane chefs plus application. It's modded version who allow you to generate for your account unlimited amount of gems and coins. And this video tutorial I want to share with you how it works and how to get this application for your device. Okay, enter amount of gems and coins as you want. The next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated, so wait to finish this process. After complete of this process everything will be generated for our account, and now as you can see is already open our account and I get unlimited gems and coins absolutely for free. Where I found this application? It's easy. Open browser, go to Zeno app as you can see, scroll down or type this the airplane chefs, press install, wait to finish this process. The last step is one verification. After confirm every step, airplane chefs will be installed in your device.